Okay, so now moving to the occipital lobe. Okay, so my probe is in the parieto-occipital sulcus, and then we have another fissure, which is right there, and that's going to be the calcarine fissure. And the calcarine fissure is going to divide the occipital lobe into two parts. So you could see this top part here is kind of wedge-shaped, and wedge in Latin is cuneus, and so we call this the cuneus part of the occipital lobe. And then just below the calcarine fissure is an area called the lingula, which quite literally means little tongue. And if you look at it, it kind of looks like a little tongue, like the back of the brain is sticking its tongue out at you. Okay? So there is the lingula. And on the calcarine fissure, sort of each side of it is the primary visual cortex. Okay? We say the primary visual cortex flanks the banks of the calcarine fissure. Flanks the banks. Okay, and now our secondary visual cortex is going to be pretty much the rest of the lateral aspect of the occipital lobe, and when we get to Unit 8 and talk about the visual system, you'll learn how we have sort of these two streams of visual processing that are going to go dorsally and ventrally.